The great scientist Albert Einstein was born as an abnormal child. Not only this, his head was slightly bigger than normal children. Despite this, his mind was so sharp that till date, no one has been able to compete with him. This is the reason why everyone wants to know about his mind. After all, how was Einstein's mind so sharp? Einstein became a great scientist despite being born differently than a normal child. Do you know what were those things that separated him from others? Actually, when Einstein was born, his head was not like that of normal children. His head was a bit big. The parents were also very worried about this. They had also accepted that his child was an abnormal child. When Einstein did not speak after aging, the family became even more upset because he always remained calm. But his relatives were surprised when Einstein suddenly spoke at the dinner table. This story started something like this. Einstein was having dinner with his mother and father sitting at the dining table. Suddenly, he said that the soup was very hot. His parents were happy to hear this. But later, they was also shocked at such a clear voice because he had never spoken anything before. When he was asked why you were silent till now, why did not you speak anything? Einstein gave a strange answer, said that till now, everything was fine. During this, he was 9 years old. The strange stories related to Einstein's life did not stop here, but even after growing up, he had many such habits, about which everyone is surprised to hear. It is said that he had many such habits which were very funny, like he did not like to wear socks before wearing shoes because his socks used to get torn. There used to be big holes in them. He believed that work can be done even by wearing one sock, so what is the need to wear 2 socks? This is the reason why whenever he used to go to any formal party, he used to become a topic of discussion because he used to go without wearing socks. As soon as Einstein arrived during the lecture in Oxford, everyone's attention went to his grown hair. It is said that Einstein did not like haircut at all. Anyone could guess this by looking at his long hair. The matters related to him did not stop here. It is said that he could not remember many things. Einstein could not remember anyone's name, date, phone number. Often he used to forget them. This is the reason why some people used to harass him by calling him bad memory. He was even counted among the stupid children. Especially Einstein's teachers also did not like him because he failed in every subject except science and maths. When the teacher scolds him, he does not see any effect on him. However, apart from all this, he became the great scientist of the world. He presented many theories of science to the world. This is the reason why his mind has been the subject of discussion. Einstein's brain has been preserved even today. Experiments are done from time to time to read his mind. Before Einstein's death, there was a discussion about his sharp mind, and after his death, his brain was separated from the skull. Dr. Thomas Stoll Harvey kept some pieces of his brain after the postmortem and did not return them. Einstein's brain was cut into 240 pieces, and those pieces were sent to different scientists. On research, it was found that compared to the brain of normal people, Einstein's brain had an extraordinary cell structure, due to which his mind was very sharp. Scientists claimed that Einstein's brain had more flowers than a normal brain. He had more supercells in his brain, which gave him the ability to think in extraordinary ways. During the research, Einstein's brain was compared with 85 brains, which revealed that his brain weighs 1,230 grams, which is similar to normal humans, but has a lot of force on him. Simply put, the part of Einstein's brain called the cerebral cortex was different from that of an average brain. Indeed, the cerebral cortex is an essential part of the brain, responsible for most complex brain functions. This part of the brain is responsible for functions like thinking power, action planning, emotional reasoning, seeing, listening, speaking, imagination. It is this part that develops in an unusual and peculiar way and is responsible for the assembly of neurons on the surface of the brain. Scientists say that Einstein's mind was very complex in terms of this combination. Anthropology at Florida State University says that Einstein's brain, face, and tongue are slightly larger than the 9 impulse-transmitting parts, which may have a connection to his concentration and foresight. You can see Einstein's brain at the Mutter Museum and Historical Medical Library Museum, although many samples of his brain are now missing. The world has seen the mind of this famous scientist, but his eyes are still imprisoned in a box. No one has seen them. In this way, we can assume that he is still living in the world today. So, dear friends, that's all for today. If you liked the video, then please like and share it. And also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.